I've cleaned it. I use clear finish, clear coat. That's the number 040094. I have a little bit preheated it, not much. When I use clear coat, I don't want to heat it too much up, about 20 degrees. And still, I find dirt and rubbish. I'm not a professional painter. Ventilation on. First I want to see not a shiny glossy surface. I'm bringing the first coat on, clear coat. I see a little bit of wrinkling, small dots spraying on the surface, and then on one moment you will see a shiny coat, shiny surface. That's the time to be stopping with spraying, because when you do too much, look, it's almost water there. You have to see a surface like water. Now I'm done with this. I'm very happy. It's not the most perfect part I have made, but still it looks great. I'm happy to do it like that. I'm still trying to find ways to make something nicer. And leave it to dry like that. Yes. And when I do the starter motor, I also do black inside and blue on top of it. And you see all those kinds of parts are also in the blue. Yeah, that is normally what I use. That's simple and easy to do. Yeehaw! Okay, next movie. How to do the valves. See you next time. Bye bye.